Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 59. Today we keep building our glossary of commonly confused words. We'll sort out 5 pairs that careful writers keep straight: beside and besides, between and among, bring and take, can and may, and the big one, fewer and less. First pair, beside and besides. Beside, with no S on the end, means next to. The umbrella stand is beside the door, right next to it. Besides, with that extra S, means in addition to. Besides apples, the orchard grows pears. Here's the memory tip. The extra S gives you an extra idea, in addition to. Beside is next to. Besides is in addition to. Second pair, between and among. Use between for 2 people or things. Split the prize between the 2 winners, just 2. Use among for a group of 3 or more. She felt at home among her teammates, a whole group. So just count. If it's 2, use between. If it's 3 or more, a group, use among. 2, between, a group, among. Third pair, bring and take. Bring means to carry toward the speaker. Bring your photos to my house, toward me. Take means to carry away, off to a more distant place. Take this package to the mailroom, away from me. The direction is the whole game. If it comes toward you, it's bring. If it goes away from you, it's take. Toward, bring, away, take. 2 quick pairs to finish. Can shows ability. Leo can juggle 4 oranges. He's able to. May shows permission or possibility. You may borrow my calculator. Now the big one for the test, fewer and less. Use fewer with nouns you can count, like chairs or students. Fewer students rode the bus. Use less with amounts you cannot count, like water or sugar. There is less sugar in this recipe. Remember it as fewer for things you count, less for amounts. In this first set, pick the word that fits the sentence. Think about the meaning, next to or in addition to or a group, toward or away. Pause and try each one before I answer. Blank apples, the orchard grows pears. The sentence means in addition to apples. That's the extra S word, besides. Beside would mean next to the apples, which makes no sense here. So the answer is besides. Split the prize blank the 2 winners. Count them. There are 2 winners, exactly 2. 2 calls for between. Among would need a group of 3 or more, so the answer is between. Please blank this package to the mailroom. The package is going away from the speaker, off to a more distant place, the mailroom. Carrying away is take. Bring would mean toward the speaker, so the answer is take. Now 3 more, focused on can versus may, and the big test pair, fewer versus less. Ask, is it ability or permission? Can you count the noun, or is it an amount? Pause and try each one. You blank borrow my calculator if you ask. This is about granting permission. You're allowed to. Permission calls for may. Can would only mean you're physically able to, so the answer is may. Blank students rode the bus today. Can you count students? Yes, 1 student, 2 students, you can count them. Count nouns take fewer. Less is only for amounts you can't count, so the answer is fewer. There is blank sugar in this recipe. Can you count sugar? No, sugar is an amount, not separate things. Amounts you can't count take less. Fewer is only for things you can count, so the answer is less. Let's wrap up. Beside means next to, and besides with the extra s means in addition to. Use between for two and among for a group of three or more. Bring carries toward the speaker. Take carries away. Can shows ability. May shows permission. And the big one for the test. Fewer goes with nouns you can count, while less goes with amounts you cannot. Keep those 5 pairs straight and your writing will read clean. Great work.